Ayo, what up guys? We are BM4E. Today we're going to review EXO-K drama version of Wolf. We've waited really long for this video and we're extremely excited. Waited all day to actually watch it. I wanted to watch it already, but I didn't because we wanted to review. Okay, so let's go. Suddenly Black Pearl.
Yeah, Black Pearl.
Hi Chris! He's touching you hard.
Oh my god, oh my god.
Huh? Okay, heart attack.
Oh god.
I'm jealous of the girl.
Me too, oh my god, oh my god. What was that? What?
That's Liu Hong.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Leon! Oh my god!
This is so sexy, guys. I'm
Oh
dying.
god! He's blonde hair, oh my god, oh my god.
Oh, this is so hot.
Oh my god, they're chasing him, oh my god, oh my god.
The girl looks like IU.
Yeah, she really looks like that. Oh, he gets her, oh god.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh, this is so adorable!
But there's like nothing wolf about this so far. Oh my god, Leon, stop being adorable, I'm dying.
Oh god, this song's so beautiful! Why are guys like that all the time at This song's so cute. Badass.
Oh my god. What's gonna happen? No, don't hurt my baby. Double Dio's eyes.
여기와 단번에 느껴 너의
Oh my god, is that guy?
God. Oh my god.
향기 맡고
Oh my god.
Oh my goodness.
하게 잡아먹을 테니
There's sound effects.
빠져 이만까지
없어져.
혹시 내가 아프면 가까이라도 걸리거니 정신 차려 어쩌다 인간이
Oh my god, Kai.
안해본 스타일로
Oh my god.
What is that? Yes, powers of something. He's on drugs. I'm crack.
난 늑대고 넌 미녀 할수 없이 강렬한 이 느낌에
Oh
빠져버려
my god, did they kill someone?
난 단순한 게 좋아
Oh my god.
내 속에 숨어있던 것이 지금 눈떴어
Oh my god, everybody hates Liu Han right now. Oh
But I
my
still
god.
love you, Luhan. You're my favorite.
Oh no, the girl's coming. What's gonna happen?
누구야? 또 뭐야?
I guess she's mad at him too now.
She's probably saying, what did you do? I don't know.
What?
What? Okay, that was
Okay.
too fast, too fast.
To be continued. Maybe EXO-M's video is oh, I don't know. I'm so curious, yeah. But this was really beautiful. I'm gonna cry.
I'm in love with Luhan.
I'm in love with Kai. Kai's mine, okay? I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill you. He's mine.
So cool, this. Oh my
It
god.
was very cool. So hope you guys liked the review and subscribe if you want to. That's your choice. Okay, bye.
Bye.
Bye.